Hello, welcome to this week's Notes to Inspire. I'm Leslie Logan, and this week we're talking about who your hype person is. So, I have a friend who I run with all the time. I would call him a best friend. We don't call each other every day or even text each other every day, but when we do call each other, we're like there for each other, right? Anyways, he was doing a Facebook Live, and so I just got on to support him, and I made a comment about something, and to his entire viewing list, he introduced me as I just felt like the coolest chick in the world, right? So he was like totally hyping me up to people who don't even know me, right? And he didn't need to do that for any reason whatsoever. He just wants to. And it's something that I have done for him in the past. I doubt he even remembers. It's just like what you do for people who you care about, right? You hype them up to the people that you're talking to the people that you do business with. You want to show them, look how cool my friend is right here. And so I think it's really easy to want certain people in our lives to be our hype person. But what if you actually just took a step back and just looked at who might be your hype person already? And how can you connect with them a little bit more and potentially let them hype you up a little bit more? Because they already like to do it. Right? So this week, just make a list of people who actually hype you up. It might be less obvious than you think, and it might be like, whoa, this person over here always introduces me the best to complete strangers, and I don't even know their last name. It might be the barista, right? So just make that list and then see how you can let them hype you up just a little bit more, because they obviously like doing it. And then maybe write down who you like to be a hype person for and see how you can hype them up too. And then maybe they'll hype you up more. And it's like reciprocity. And everyone's just talking about people in the best light and helping people do their things. What a cool way to pay it forward. Anyways, that's this week's Notes to Inspire. I hope you have fun doing it, and I'll see you next time.